Alright, hello everyone. So in this little lesson here, we're going to learn how to use the Bulb website to help create a portfolio where we can keep all of our work that we need for our assignment. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. Okay, so your screen should look pretty similar to mine, and if you scroll down, you'll see just a little bit more like this. Okay, so in order to create our portfolio here, we're going to use this blue create button. Okay, and if you click on it, you'll see either create page or create collection. Another way we can access this is up here with this icon of the pencil and the paper. Right, if we click that, it'll also give us create collection or create page. So the first thing we're going to want to do is create a collection. So once you click on create collection, you'll have this screen pop up, and we're going to give our collection a title. Now the title that you're going to want to use is just going to be the name of your story or the poem that you're going to use for this assignment plus soundtrack. So for example, if I do Harry Potter, then I will type Harry Potter soundtrack. Okay, now you don't have to worry about this section here. You can leave that blank. All right, and then create. Okay, now once it's created, it'll look just like this. Now this is pretty bland, so we're going to want to add a cover image. So you see this icon here. Once you click that, this window will pop up. Okay, now if you have an image that you want to upload, you can upload from here. You can browse device to pull it from your computer or drag and drop it here. All right, another thing you can do is just do a web search. Okay, so when you click on web search and you type in your keywords, so I'm going to do Harry Potter, click on search. All right, now we have a whole bunch of photos that we can use. So just scroll through the photos and find your favorite one. And you know what? I'm going to go with this really cool Lego photo right here. Okay, you're going to need to give it just a few seconds. And, you see my image is so big, it didn't display all the way. So to fix this, we can drag the image. You just hold down your cursor and drag till you get it to where you want it. And you know what? I think I like it right there. Once you have the image to where you want it, click save. Perfect. Okay, so now we have our collection set. All right, and the reason why we're going to do a collection is because now when we hit this create button, anytime we create a page, it'll go directly under this collection. So for Harry Potter soundtrack. Okay, and this will be beneficial so you can keep track of all of the things that you guys are working on in one space. Okay, so for example, let's create a page. All right, so now I have a page, and this page I'm going to use specifically to keep track of the videos that I find on YouTube that I think will work for my assignment. So remember, in this assignment, we're making a soundtrack to go with the book that we're covering, right? And this book, the soundtrack is either going to cover the theme of the book, or it's going to cover one of the characters' progress, okay? So the title of this page is going to be, this one I'm just going to use for ideas. So I'm going to put soundtrack ideas. Okay. You know what? I'll add a cover image to this one too. And I'm just going to put music. Alright, and so I'm just going to pick any picture will do, really. This is perfect. Give it a few seconds. There we go. Alright, adjust my image and save. Okay. Alright, so once you have this part done, here we have our box. So I already have a video picked out that I like. So I'm going to click on this blue icon, and now I can add in a bunch of different types of media. So I can do images, carousel, video, files, audio, URLs, table, or divider. So I'm going to go with video. And here we go. YouTube video or Vimeo URL. So I already have my URL saved. So I'm going to just paste it in here. And then I'm going to click embed. Perfect. So now we're going to see the video right here. So now I'm going to just add a note for myself, because remember, this page is just for an idea, right? These are just songs that I think might work. So I'll just say, this song would work really well with chapter 1, right? When Harry finds out he's a wizard. All right. So now that I have my note, okay, I have everything that I need. So I want to know, how is this going to look though once I decide to share this? So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to go down to preview or live view, and then I'll click on that. Now it's going to pop this little warning up here, but we're going to go ahead and click preview again. And there we go. Now this is what it'll look once it's actually published. Okay, so this will also give you an idea of how your overall page will look once you actually start the main assignment. Okay, so then here I can also check to make sure my video works. So I'm just going to click the play button. And that's perfect. That's all I need. Okay. Another thing you want to know or be aware of is the comment section. So if you guys are working in pairs, okay, or if you would like some input from one of your classmates and you would decide to share your page with them, all right, you can go down here to the comments and you can leave a comment. You can just say, hey, I think this video and song choice would be perfect. And then you just hit comment. And there it is. Okay, and then you can continue to reply. All right, so this is a great way for you guys to give some feedback to each other. All right, once you're done here, you just hit resume editing. Okay, and then when you're done, you can just hit share. So here you can make this either for just yourself, a custom, or public. For now, we're going to go ahead and do public. Okay, so this is going to make this page visible for others. Okay. All right, then after we're done there, we just click and then go back down to view collection. And there it is, soundtrack ideas. So if we go back to the main page, you'll see right here, Harry Potter soundtrack is our collection. And now we have our page for ideas. And you can create another page if you want, and you can use this page to work on the actual written part of the assignment. And then you can combine the two once you're ready, because you're going to have all your videos in one nice spot. So once you combine it, you can just delete the other page and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask me, okay? Alright, thanks for watching the video.